Hey guys, how's it going? Thought I'd bring you back for an update on this lawn. Okay, do you remember this? Do you remember this? I'm going to show you the back. You will remember the back. Now, this is the first time we've been back since we did the renovation. And it rained. It rained. But we got it done. And the customer has been watering religiously every single day. I can't wait to show you this actually. It's got weeds in, but we're here today to do a weed and feed, so we will get rid of the weeds. So this is the front. You remember we had all the green bags of top dressing all lined up here. Scarified, aerated, overseeded and top dressed, and we have a lawn. We have a lawn. Once them weeds are gone, once the fertiliser is on, that is going to be greening up all nice and even. Once the customer starts to get the regular mowing going, it's going to be looking so much better. There's just a bit of an ant mound there showing, so I will bring that to our attention. Anyway, should we take you around the back? Now, I can't wait to show you this actually. I'm just going to show you. So, if you remember in the first video, I was wondering how I was going to get my aerator through here, because it's quite narrow where the wall is, and I eventually figured out putting some of them bricks there, putting my ramps on and going up and over. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. We have a lawn. We have a lawn. She's so happy. And do you know something what's really funny? We had some comments when we did the renovation that said, there's a hedgehog. There's a hedgehog there. It's not a hedgehog. It's this. It's this. There's your blooming hedgehog. Okay, some of you said that's a hedgehog, it was on the path. Basically, the dogs play with it. It's a dog's play toy. So that's all it is. It's a brush head. It's not a hedgehog. Yeah, so let me show you around. Basically, it's looking really well. This is what I always say to people. If you water it really well, while the seeds are germinating until they have come through, and it is all come through nice and evenly, and then gradually slow down your watering to a normal watering regime, you will get results. If you don't water enough, you will end up with patches. This has been watered enough. Sadly, we've got the ant mounds, but it has been watered enough. She's really happy. Yeah, so basically, here we are, back on the lawn. I'm happy. So I'm going to put some fertiliser and weed killer on. Got my organic fertiliser there, and then I'll be spraying my weed killer. I just wanted to give you the update, just to show you where we're at, and what we'll do today, like I say, feed and weed. So the weeds will be gone in about 4 or 5 weeks, something like that, and it will be greening up. So hopefully this customer will really appreciate the transformation and will want to keep on with the treatments, but we'll see. We'll play it by ear, but the main thing is we've done an update, and take it from there. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, any comments, leave them down below. Have you subscribed? Don't forget, thumbs up, do all these things, puts a smile on my face. See, I can do that. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. See you again.